Hello everybody, welcome, it's Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Today I'd like to share with you some of our warfare injectors. Let's take a look. First, as you can see the packages, neutral white boxes, there is the label. First line of the label is one set each pieces. And the product code is 0451200345. If you want to print with your own label, logo, packaging bag, and so on, contact us. We will supply you this kind of customized services. We had two layers. First layer is transparent, second layer is blue VCR anti-rust bags. China made it brand new. Each of the spare parts, like the nozzle, the control valve, solenoid valve, they are high qualities. And normally we use a leeway, Shumatt, green power, and so on. If you want hair qualities, you can contact us. We can use original Bosch brand. For each of our items, before we send out, we will make the 3 times commercial test. After we test it, we will send to our customers to make sure the qualities. And except this one, Shumatt we offer our customers 6 months warranties. During the warranty time, if you are not satisfied with the qualities, you can contact us. We can exchange your product for you. Okay, that's all about today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.